Everyone says AI can't do video generation without deepfakes. But Google just dropped something that breaks that rule completely, and it's way more powerful than you think. Hey everyone, I'm Mohammed, founder of Digital Dev. Today we're diving into Google's brand new Gemini Omni model, the anything-to-anything AI that's about to reshape how developers and businesses think about automation. In the next 9 minutes, you'll learn exactly what this model does, why it's different from everything else out there, and how it could transform your AI projects. Let's jump in. So here's the thing. Most AI models are specialists. ChatGPT is great with text. DALL-E handles images. Runway does video. But Google's Omni? It's the first true generalist. It can take any input, text, images, audio, video, and generate any output in that same format. According to The Verge's hands-on breakdown, Omni represents a massive architectural shift in how AI processes information. Instead of separate pipelines for different media types, Omni uses a unified neural network that treats all data the same way at a fundamental level. That's not just an upgrade. That's a complete rethinking of multimodal AI. Here's what makes it wild. Previous multimodal models like GPT-4V could understand multiple input types, but they couldn't natively generate video or audio at scale. Omni flips that script. It can take a video prompt and generate video. Take audio and generate audio. Mix and match. This is the direction the entire AI industry is moving toward, and Google just lapped everyone else. Let me break down what Omni can actually do. First, there's real-time video understanding and generation. You can show the model a short video clip, say, someone doing a dance move, and ask it to extend that video or modify it. Not with deepfake-style face swaps, but with genuine video generation that maintains coherence, lighting, and spatial consistency. Second, there's cross-modal translation. Feed it audio of someone speaking in English, and it can generate a video of someone speaking that exact speech with matching lip movements. Feed it a still image and text instructions, and it generates a video showing that image animated in specific ways. This is the technology that'll power the next generation of marketing videos, product demos, and educational content. Third, and this is where it gets really practical, latency. Google claims Omni can process and respond to inputs with sub-second latency. That means near real-time interaction. We're talking about AI that can have actual conversations with video components, not just batch processing jobs that take hours. For businesses building customer-facing AI tools, that's a massive deal. At Digital Dev, we're already seeing clients ask about this exact capability. They want AI that can handle multiple content types simultaneously without switching between 5 different tools. Omni is the answer to that problem. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's cool, but why should I care? Let me give you 3 concrete reasons. First, consolidation. Right now, if you're building an AI-powered product, you need a stack of models. One for text, one for images, one for video. Each integration point is a complexity tax, a latency hit, and a cost multiplier. Omni could cut that in half. Fewer APIs, faster execution, lower infrastructure costs. For startups especially, that changes the unit economics of AI products entirely. Second, creative democratization. Video production used to be expensive. Now, with Omni, anyone with a prompt can generate professional quality video content. That has massive implications for content creators, agencies, and small businesses. According to industry estimates, video content will represent 82% of all IP traffic by 2026, and Omni is a key enabler of that shift. Third, the deepfake elephant in the room. Yes, this technology could be misused. But here's the reality. Detection technology is advancing in parallel. Google and other labs are investing heavily in synthetic media detection. The question isn't whether this technology exists, it does. The question is who controls it and how we use it responsibly. Ignoring it won't help. Let's talk architecture for a second because this is where the magic happens. Traditional multimodal models use separate encoders for different input types, a vision transformer for images, an audio spectrogram processor for sound, etc. These encoders feed into a shared token space, but they're still fundamentally separate pipelines. Omni operates differently. It uses a unified tokenization system where all data types, video frames, audio samples, text, get converted into a single token format that the transformer can process uniformly. That means the model can learn better cross-modal relationships because it's not constantly translating between different representations. The result? According to early benchmarks, Omni shows significant improvements on multimodal understanding tasks. It can understand context across modalities in ways previous models couldn't. If you show it a video of someone speaking, then ask a question about the audio and text, it integrates that information seamlessly. For developers, this means cleaner code, fewer custom pre-processing steps, and more predictable outputs. For business leaders, this means faster time to market for AI products. Let me give you 3 real-world use cases that are already viable with this technology. First, customer support automation. Imagine an AI that watches a customer's screen recording, listens to their explanation of a problem, reads the ticket description, and generates a video tutorial specifically addressing their issue. That's Omni in action. No more generic FAQ videos. Personalized, multimodal support at scale. Second, content creation workflows. A marketer records a 30-second clip of them explaining a product feature, and Omni extends that into a 3-minute professional video with transitions, effects, and matching B-roll. Boom. You've cut production time from hours to minutes. Third, accessibility. Text-to-sign language video generation. Audio description generation for video content. Real-time transcription and translation across modalities. This technology has immediate, positive impact applications. We're already having conversations with clients at Digital Dev about integrating capabilities like this into their workflows. The adoption curve is going to be steep. Here's what's important to understand. This is the beginning, not the peak. Google's releasing Omni in phases, and full commercial availability is still ramping up. But the trajectory is clear. In 12 to 18 months, this kind of anything-to-anything capability will be the baseline expectation for enterprise AI models. That means if you're building AI products or integrating AI into your business, you need to start thinking about architectures that can leverage unified multimodal systems. The cost savings and capability gains are too significant to ignore. Here's my question for you. What's the first thing you'd build if you had an AI model that could process any input and generate any output? Comment below. I read every comment, and I'm genuinely curious what use cases you're thinking about. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that subscribe button. Next week, we're breaking down how to actually integrate these kinds of models into real business workflows. No hype, just practical strategies. And if your business is looking to scale with AI automation, video generation, customer workflows, content creation, visit mdigitaldev.com. Let's talk about how this technology can work for you. Next week, we're breaking down the cost comparison of Omni versus traditional model stacks. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.